Innovation in life sciences doesn't happen in isolation. It happens where ideas, infrastructure, and people come together. And in New Jersey, that foundation has been decades in the making. New Jersey has long been a cornerstone of the global life sciences industry, home to many of the world's leading pharmaceutical companies, breakthrough discoveries, and generations of scientific talent. The presence of world-class pharmaceutical companies has shaped not just the state's economy, but its identity by creating deep expertise across drug development, clinical research, and commercialization. New Jersey is a top 5 state in pharmaceutical manufacturing and life sciences workforce, along with receiving over $1 billion in NIH funding since 2022. The Health and Life Science Exchange, or HELIX for short, is redefining what an innovation ecosystem can look like. Built by our partners at the New Brunswick Development Corporation, the HELIX is bringing together academia, industry, investors, and community in a single, highly connected district, spanning more than 1.5 million square feet.
New Jersey has a pretty big life science ecosystem and technology ecosystem unto itself. We're going to consolidate that and focus that on 4 acres in downtown New Brunswick. Once that's humming, what I really think is, the true success story is that we're going to have that life science startup that started in a lab at Rutgers or at Princeton. It migrated to the New Jersey Innovation Hub that's powered by Portal Innovations. They graduated to 5,000 or 10,000 square feet on the 10th floor above them. And then, I know we're successful when I'm trying to find 50 and 100,000 square feet for those companies to move, to go into production, commercial production, to really, hire a lot of folks and really drive both not only the New Brunswick, the Middlesex County, and the state, but the regional economy.
Within the HELIX, the New Jersey Innovation Hub, powered by Portal, will serve as a launch pad for the next generation of science and engineering-driven startups. A 30,000 square foot incubator designed to support companies from their earliest stages by providing lab space, programming, and direct access to capital for founders and entrepreneurs.
It's not easy for a life science company to get started. They need funding, they need a laboratory space. You can't move into a traditional co-working space. You need fume hoods. Safety is a big priority. And Portal Innovation addresses all of that.
I first heard of the hub more than a year ago. And literally the 5 minutes after the words came out of the person's mouth who was telling me about it, I said, we have to be involved in this. So there are so many positives for a company such as ours. While we're not a startup in the truest sense of the word, having been doing this as long as we have been, we do position ourselves as a support network for literally any company of any size. So the idea of joining a new, thriving community with the incubators, with the Rutgers translational folks, with other universities, right next door to Bell Labs. We couldn't ask for more in terms of a stimulating environment.
To date, member companies within Portal have raised more than $1 billion in funding since 2020, showing the true power of the Portal network. Companies at the New Jersey Innovation Hub will also be connected to a growing national network, including Ocean State Labs in Rhode Island, Fulton Labs in the UChicago Science Incubator in Chicago, and Woodbine Labs in Salt Lake City. With proximity to New York City and Philadelphia, New Jersey sits at the center of a powerful regional corridor, bringing together researchers, operators, and entrepreneurs into a single, highly connected ecosystem. New Jersey is home to world-class research universities like Rutgers, the New Jersey Institute of Technology, and Princeton, creating a unique opportunity for places like New Brunswick to become a true melting pot for innovation. What's being built in New Brunswick isn't just a new facility, it's a platform for what comes next in life sciences. Portal Innovations, you can build here.